Good afternoon. My name is Adya. My topic name is Mawati. Madhya Pradesh is the heart of India. Besides the geographical location, it is quite evident from the culinary habit of its place has been. The cuisine influenced by the Mughal Hills and the nearby states, where Madhya Pradesh is definitely a place for food. You should explore a place for indulge in the gastronomic journey. Mawati, a perfect skin, the right amount of sweetness and perfect texture. A mawati is one probably dish that defines with rich dry fruits. After deep frying the made ball, the dish is well soaked in the sugar to scrub to add the sweetness in the dish. Mawati is one dish that you cannot miss too much on when you are in Madhya Pradesh. There is no end to list amazing delicacies that we find in the heart of India. Srikhand, Imrati, Faluda, Kaju Katri, Lavang, Latta and Rabri are some of new snacks that can easily satisfy your sweet tooth. Apart from various cuisine, Madhya Pradesh is also famous for different styles of namkeen. Dalmot, Palhari, potato chuda, khatta mittai chuda and khasta kachori are some of the snacks that are delightful in the taste. Now let's see the ingredients for the mawati recipe. 1 cup mawa, 0.5 cup sugar, 0.5 cup all-purpose flour. As required oil for deep frying, 1 cup water, 4.5 daman pot crush, a pinch of saffron. This is mawati. How is it taste?
Sweet.